What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Now in today's video, all right, so I recently got a comment. This actually happened 6 days ago. I got a comment from this lady who has, so she has a 2011 535i, right? So this is the F10 model. She wanted to basically code the power tailgate to work with her remote and also the button inside the car. So she purchased all this stuff and she noticed that in the app there was not, the feature was not there. All right, so let me break this down for you guys again. All right, so every BMW model is going to be different. All right, so for example, if you guys have the 3 Series, like the F30 chassis and stuff like that, those cars, I think any 3 Series actually, those cars do not come with a power trunk, right? So obviously in Bimmercode, they're not gonna have that feature in the actual app, right? So this lady, she has a 2011 535. It's the F10 model. Now that car is a little bit older, so maybe they didn't introduce the power trunk back then. I do not know. Do not quote me on that. But she also says that she does not have the two buttons in the back of the trunk, right? So those 2 buttons are for you to be able to close the trunk, a powered closing for the trunk, and the other one is like, it closes the trunk, but it also locks all of the interior stuff, right? So it locks all the doors and all that stuff. Basically locks up the car. So she does not have those 2 buttons, but she really wanted to be able to do this feature on her car, but unfortunately she can't because her car wasn't equipped with that with the power trunk, I guess. So the first thing you guys want to do is actually disconnect your wireless OBD scanner to the OBD port located down below. Then you just want to head into your Wi-Fi settings, make sure you connect to it, whichever one you're using. Mine is V-Link because I'm using the V-Gate. If you guys are using the MHD adapter, it will be that. If you guys are using the V-Peak, it will be that, so on and so forth. Just make sure that you connect it, all right? Then what you guys want to do is just hop into Bimmercode and then connect to the car. All right, so for this instance, for this case, we are in my car, so it's a 5 Series, and I actually have the option, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So right now it's connecting to the car. You just want to wait for that to load up, and all what it does, right, it's just that, so from the factory, you guys have this button down here, right, and it just opens up the trunk. That's it. It just opens up the trunk. If you press it again, it will not close or any of that. Bimmercode allows you to bypass that, so where if you were to press that button again, it will close. All right, and also for the key fob too. So if you guys were to, from the factory, if you guys were to press this button once, it's just going to open up the car. I'm sorry, open up the trunk. But Bimmercode lets you bypass that, where if you press it again, it actually closes the trunk. And this is very convenient, very helpful, because not all the time you want to get out your car and close it yourself. I couldn't tell you the amount of times that I've actually by accident hit that button and I had to get out the car to close the trunk, because if you press that button again, it did not work. That's how the factory did it. I do not know why. They should have made it so that if you press it again, it automatically closes. But yeah, like I was saying, Bimmercode allows you to change that. And once you're in the app, you just want to go all the way down to where you see tailgate function module. Now, mind you, not every BMW is the same, all right? So this is a later version BMW, so it has the option. And this is also the M Sport. I don't know if that matters, but just throwing it out there that maybe it's an option, a part of an option in that. I don't know. But I actually wish I had the window sticker to this car. That would have been dope. I got this car used and it did not come with the window sticker. Maybe I could look it up online so I could show you guys all the different stuff that I have in it, but it doesn't have it. So yeah, once you're in the tailgate function module, as you can see, there's 3 options. The first one is to close the tailgate with the remote, meaning you could close it with the key. The second one says close tailgate with button in driver door, which is that button down there. And then the last one is close tailgate with the remote, but without a long press, meaning if you just press it once, it's gonna close. I know on if you don't have that coded, then you have to like hold down the button until the trunk actually closes. But as you can see, mine is already all active, so I'm not going to code anything on that. I'm just showing you guys which menu you have to go into to do it. And let me do a little demonstration, right? So as you can see, the trunk is closed, but from the key fob, I'm gonna press it once. The trunk opens, right? So I'm gonna press the key fob again, and the trunk will close, right? So there's no need to get out your car or any of that. And that's the same thing with down here. All right, press this once, the trunk will open, and if you press it again, the trunk will close. One press, good to go. All right. But yeah, that was a quick little video on how you guys can code the power trunk to work with your remote and also the button on the inside. It's unfortunate that her car did not come with that option for her to be able to do it, because I guess maybe on that model year they didn't put the power trunk in it or something like that. I'm not sure what that was, but if you guys want different coding options, Bimmercode also has a section. So if you go into the app and then you go to supported cars, right? You go to the app, go to supported cars. It's going to take you. Let me actually disconnect the Wi-Fi because it thinks that I'm on a Wi-Fi right now. So if you go to BMW, right, and you go to 5 Series, you put in your year. Her year is actually it's still the F10, but look, let me show you guys. So if you go there, right, you go to supported coding options, and then if you go to tailgate, as you can see, it says close tailgate with button in driver door. So this is what we just did, but it says requirements. You got to be able to have the tailgate function module or tailgate function module in control unit, meaning that your car has to have that option already in the car, as in like you guys have to have the power trunk. So but yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It is unfortunate that she wasn't able to code it, but yeah, if I were you guys, I would just download the app, right? So you could purchase the app in the App Store for free, and then when you guys do actually get the wireless OBD scanner, then that's when you purchase the $30 one, the full version of it. But the free version of it actually allows you to like go through the app, see how it works and stuff like that. But I will also go online and just put in your car information and just see all the different coding options that you guys can do. It will give you more information on it, and that way you guys could know what you can code before you actually purchase the app or the wireless OBD scanner. All right, but yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.